Hi, I am Atul. Today we discuss on a topic ratio and proportion. Now we see the examples on ratio and proportion here. Now we see the examples on ratio and proportion here. If 2a upon 3 is equal to 4b upon 5 is equal to 3c upon 4, then what is the value of 18 upon a under root a square plus c square minus b square? Now here we write 2a upon 3 is equal to 4b upon 5 is equal to 3c upon 4. Now here we write first we find ratio of a has to b has to c. Now here we write 2a upon 3 is equal to 4b upon 5. Then a upon b is equal to here 3 is divided here multiply 12 upon 10. 12 upon 10, that is 6 by 5. 6 by 5. Then a has to b is 6 has to 5. A has to b is equal to 6 has to 5. Then we find b has to c here. Same b has to c. Then we find b has to c. Then 4b upon 5 is equal to 3c upon 4. Then b upon c is equal to 15 as to 16 or 15 upon 16. Then b as to c is equal to 15 as to 16. Now here we find a as to b as to c. Here we find the value of a as to b as to c here. Then here a as to b as to c, 6 as to 5 and 15 as to 16. Then here we equate here 15. Then here multiply by 3, that is here 16 as to 15 as to 16. Then value of a as to b as to c is value of a as to b as to c, 15 as to 16 as to then we find the value of 18 upon a in a bracket a square plus c square minus b square. Now here we write 18 upon a. Value of a is 18. We take value of a directly, 18, b 15 and c 16. A square, that is 18 square plus c square 16 square minus b square 15 square. Then 18 square we write here. Solve this. 18 upon 18 is 1. Then here we write 1 into 18 square is 324. 16 square is 256. Minus 15 square is 225. Then here 1 into we get addition and subtraction here. 324 plus 256. 324 plus 256, that is 10 here. Carry 1. 8. 680. Then here we write 680 minus 225. 680 minus 225. Then we get the subtraction here. 680 minus 225. We get the subtraction here. 680 minus 225. 445. Then here we write under root of 445. Under root 445. Then here we sorry, we get subtraction here. 680 minus 225, that is here 55, 10, 7, 5, 445, under root 445. Then here we write 445 means 5 into 91. Then here answer is here there is no factor here. Then your answer is 400 under root 445. Now next, if the sum of rupees 644 is divided into three parts, sum of rupees 644 is divided into three parts, A, B, C in the ratio 1 to half to 2/3 to 3/4, then A is equal to, now here the ratio of A has to be as to C. Then we find the ratio A has to be as to C. Here we multiply by this proportion by LCM of 2, 3 and 4. LCM of 2, 3, 4 is 12. LCM of 2, 3 and 4 is 12. Then 12 into half as to 12 into 2/3 as to 12 into 3/4. Then here 6, here 4, here 3. Then 6 as to 8 as to 9. Then ratio is 6 as to 8 as to 9. Then the ratio of A has to be as to C is 6 as to 8 as to 9. Now here we find then here if the sum of rupees is 644, then here 6 is part is equal to, or A share, (644) divided by sum of this four here ratio 17 plus 6, 23 divided by 23 into age ratio is 6. Then 23 2s are 56, remaining 8. 644 divided by ratio is here 12, 6, 8, 9, 6, 8, 9. Then addition we get sorry here we go. (28 into 6), that is 168. Then your answer is 168. Is here is 168. Now next, if the sum of rupees 713 is divided into three parts, If the sum of rupees 713 is divided into three parts, A, B, C in the ratio 1:2, S to 2, S to 3, S to 3, S to 4, then C is equal to 4. Then we multiply this by 6 S to 8 S to 9. Then ratio of A S to B S to C. 6 S to 8 S to 9. 6 S to 8 S to 9. If the sum of rupees is 713 divided by addition of 6 plus 8 plus 9, that is 23, into here 6 here means into 9, 3 the 69 minus 71 is 2, remain 2, then 20, 3 1 the 23, then here 31 into 9, 279, then here this here is 279. If A plus B, B plus C, C plus A is equal to 6 S to 7 S to 8, 6 S to 7 S to 8, and A plus B plus C is 14, then value of C is, now here A plus B is equal to 6, we directly write 6k, B plus C is equal to 7k, and C plus A is equal to 8k. Then we get the addition here, then A is twice A, BB is twice B, and CC is twice C. We get the addition here, 21k. Now here we write A plus B plus C is equal to, here to get common, 21k, then here A plus B plus C is equal to 21 upon 2. Here A plus B plus C, value of A plus B plus C is given. We directly put value of A plus B plus C here. Then 2 into A plus B plus C is 40 is equal to 21k. Then here value of k is 4 by 3. Value of k is 4 by 3. This is the value of k. Then value of k is 4 by 3. This is the value of k. Now here, then we find the value of c. Here we find the value of c. Now here we find the value of a plus k is 4 by 3. We find the c. Then here we write here a plus b plus c. A plus b plus c is equal to 21 upon 2k. Then here we find the c. Then subtract a plus b. Here a plus b, subtract a plus b plus c minus a plus b is equal to 6k. Then here minus sign here, minus minus here, this get cancelled. Then 6 is equal to 21 upon 2 minus 6. Here we get k common here. Then value of 6 is equal to 21 minus 12 upon 2k. 21 minus 12 upon 2k. Then here we write 21 minus 12 is 9. C is equal to 9 by 2k. Then value of k is 4 by 3. Then 3 3s are 9, 2 2s are 4, then 6. Then value of C is 6. Value of C is 6. This is your answer. Value of C is 6. A person distribute his pen among A, B, C, D in the ratio. Person distribute his pens among A, B, C and D in the ratio 1:4, 1/4, 1/5, 1/6, 1/7. What is the minimum number of pens that the person should have? Minimum number of pens that the person should have. Here 1/4, as to 1/5, as to 1/6, as to 1/7. Then here we get the LCM of 1, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then LCM of 4, 5, 6, 7. We find the LCM of 4, 5, 6, 7 here. Here 5 to the 10, 10 plus 21, 210 into 2, that is 420. Then LCM is 420. We multiply by here LCM. Then 420 into 1/4, as to 420 into 1/5, as to 420 into 1/6, as to 420 into 1/7. Then here the ratio of A has to B has to C is C has to D is 105, as to 84, as to 70, as to 60. Then minimum numbers of pen means here we get the addition of this proportion here. Then 105 plus 84 plus 70 plus 60, we get the addition. (319). Then minimum numbers of pen is 319 pens here. 319 pens here. A person distribute his pens among A, B, C, D in the ratio 1:3, 1/3, as to 1/4, as to 1/5, as to 1/6. What is the minimum number of pens that the person should have? Then we get the LCM of 3, 4, 5, 6. Then LCM is 60. We will multiply by 60 here. Then here then the ratio of A has to B has to C has to D. The minimum number of pens they should have is 47. Is 47. Is 47. If the sum of rupees is 1170 is were distributed among A, B, C in the ratio 2:3:4 by mistake in a place of 1 of as to 1/3 as to 1/4. Who was benefited most by how much? Now here 170 is distributed among A, B, C in the ratio 2:3:4 by mistake. Then here in the ratio 2:3:4. Then here we write 3 plus 7 plus 2 9. 9 ones are 9. 103. Then A, B and C got here 130 into 2, that is 260, 390 and 550 rupees. By mistake in a place of the by mistake here in a place of half as to 1/3 as to 1/4. Then we get the LCM of 2, 3, 4, that is 12. Then here we write 6, 4 as to 3. Then ratio of ABC. This is correct ratio. Then we distribute this amount in this ratio. Then 1170 upon 13 into age ratio is 6. 90, that is age ratio is 19, 6 540. Then B's ratio is 360 and C's ratio is 270. Then here who was benefited most by how much? Who was benefited most by how much? Then this is A got loss here, C benefited most, and how much amount, that is 520 divided by 270, that is 0. Here 12, 3, 5, here 4, 2, 250 rupees. Then C benefited most by 250 rupees.